Hi friends, so we're back again with another video. So I manage this small YouTube channel with only 100 subscribers. As you can see right now, it has 103 subscribers, which is really not enough subscribers for you to think maybe you can start making money with this such amount of subscribers that we have on this channel. So this woman hired me like a few weeks ago, and she said that I should manage her channel, so we should do this and this to make sure that this channel is going to be successful. YouTube channel is gonna make a lot of money and all that. So we have only few subscribers right now, but this doesn't mean that we cannot make money using these very few subscribers. So in this video I'm going to tell you my friend, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and you need to start making money on YouTube, maybe this video is really going to be useful for you. In order for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, which can take at least 3 months up to 6 months. Other people, they take up to years of them finding 1,000 subscribers. It always depends on how hard you work and how consistent you are on posting on daily basis or on a weekly basis on your YouTube channel. But if you're not posting, that means it will be very hard for you to get 1,000 subscribers. But for me on this channel, I managed to get 100 subscribers within only 4 days on this channel, and I'm going to show you how we are going to make money using these very few subscribers that we have on this channel. So this channel is about lifestyle, and she's posting her videos like how she wakes up in the morning, what she uses, and everything is all about herself. So in content like this, it's very easy to get people to trust you because they get to know you better. So it's very easy to get big brands and different people around the world to get to know you and start working with you. It doesn't matter the number of subscribers that you have, and this is how you're going to make this money. So after reaching 100 subscribers, we couldn't wait for us to start making money up to until we reach 1,000 subscribers, which is obviously going to take maybe few months from now. But we needed to start making money as early as we can with this amount of subscribers that we have on this channel. And my work on this channel is just to manage her because she doesn't have that experience on YouTube. So this is how we're gonna make money. All right, so this was my initial idea on how we are going to make money with just a few subscribers that we have. So we just decided that we are going to shopping, and she needed to buy her skincare product. We're going to buy this skincare product, and we need to show her before start using this product and after using this product. So I recorded the whole process, me and her going to shopping, buying this product, but also she went to her home and started using this product. So we wanted to make something very different. So we recorded like how we unboxed the product, how we are going to use this product, and this product are international products that can go in any country, and I'm pretty sure that these products are available into many countries. So after buying this product, we sent this email to this big company from USA. So this big company, we sent this email that we want to collaborate with them. So we need this partnership. All we needed is that we just wanted to try, to send email to this company. And after using this product, we just decided to make this video on how this product had good impact on our skin. So we sent this email to them. After sending this email to them, we are now waiting for their confirmation. So I just want to say that if you have this small channel and you want to start making money using brand deals and sponsorship, you can start wherever you are. So we just gave our first shot and see how this company is gonna react on us. But the other thing that we did is we had to make sure that we show before and after using this product. So after sending this email to them, I'm pretty sure that they are going to reply to us, and I'll be so transparent. I will come to you and show you how this company is gonna reply to us. The most important thing that I decided to make this kind of video, that it really doesn't matter on the biggest audience that you have or the smallest audience that you have. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can try your shot. You can go ahead, ask for sponsorship on any brand you're using. It can be your microphones. You can start making money through affiliate marketing. It can be about your skincare product. It can be your perfume. Go ahead and show how you use this perfume on your YouTube channel, and go ahead also and ask for from brand leaders, ask for sponsorship, and different companies may be able to reach out to you and start working out with you. I've seen there are other small YouTubers that are doing the same. They're showing how they approach these companies, and they ask for for sponsorship, and they get these deals, and they're making at least $500. Is not enough amount of money, but it can help you somehow, and also you are going to get this experience to work with bigger brand at the end of the day. So how I got this email, I went to this company. I wrote on Google, then I saw their email from the bottom of this website, and I came to find this email. And as you can see, I sent to them email like I was so excited to work with them, and I will show them how I use this product, how I'm going to convince my audience to use this product. I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about this girl that I'm working with. She's going to show like how she's going to convince her audience to make sure that they get this product and start using this product. And at the same time, this woman that I'm working with, she gonna get paid from these companies that she collaborated with. So it doesn't matter how many subscribers that you have to go ahead and start asking for brand deals, sponsorship on any product that you are using. It can be perfume, it can be handbags, it can be anything that you think is original. Go ahead, ask for them. I'm pretty sure that they're gonna come to you with good answers, and you're gonna start making money. You really don't have to wait for for you to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure that's gonna take too long. So you can start with that amount of subscribers that you have to go ahead and start asking for brand deals. And this is also going to give you it's a good experience on how to approach on these different companies to work with. So I think this is going to be very very useful video for you. You're also gonna start using this product, and not just using this product, but also you're gonna start asking for brand deals. You're going to start asking for partnership. You're going to start asking for sponsorship. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. Thanks so much, and see you next time.